Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you present simple tense. These are most useful and common sentences. It will improve your English communications. But if you do not subscribe my YouTube channel, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because I really need your support. So let's start. So here is present simple tense. I read books regularly. I read books regularly. She watched movies every weekends. She watched movies every weekends. They attend classes on weekdays. They attend classes on weekdays. He listens to music in the evenings. He listens to music in the evening. We cook dinner together. We cook dinner together. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. My sister danced gracefully. My sister danced gracefully. He swims in the pool. He swims in the pool. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. They speak Spanish. They speak Spanish. I travel to work by bus. I travel to work by bus. She plays the piano beautifully. She plays the piano beautifully. We visit our grandparents often. We visit our grandparents often. The teacher explains concept well. The teacher explains concept well. It rains in this region. It rains in this region. Birds chirp in the morning. Birds chirp in the morning. I jog in the park. I jog in the park. They study for exams. They study for exams. The cat sleeps on the window. The cat sleeps on the window. He runs 5 miles every day. He runs 5 miles every day. She writes poems in her free time. She writes poems in her free time. We laugh at jokes together. We laugh at jokes together. The clock ticks loudly. The clock ticks loudly. I help my neighbors. I help my neighbors. They climb mountains regularly. They climb mountains regularly. The car starts with Aurora. The car starts with Aurora. We plant flowers in the garden. We plant flowers in the garden. She teaches English at the school. She teaches English at the school. I play video game. I play video game. The train depends on time. The train depends on time. I hope you learned something new from this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I really need your support. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.